Right, Ben. Governor Whitmer is taking the fight against flavored vaping products now to a higher court.
The lower courts blocked her statewide ban earlier this month. Consumer investigator Hank Winchester is here, and Hank, she's likened this to the Flint water crisis.
Yeah, and I know a lot of people thinking, what does Flint have to do with vaping? So let's break it all down. The governor saying in a statement today that after seeing how the Flint water crisis was mishandled by government, she believes it's important to listen to our public health officials when they make safety and health recommendations. That's why the governor says the vaping fight is not over yet.
Hey, good morning, sir. Sergeant Sue Sala, Clinton Township Police Department.
This was just a few weeks ago. Police going in and out of local stores selling flavored vaping products, making sure they were wiped clean from store shelves.
This is a health crisis that we're confronting, and it would never be permitted if it was cigarettes, but we're letting these companies target our kids, appeal to our kids, and deceive our children, and they're showing up with respiratory illnesses no one can explain. This is why we're taking bold action here in Michigan. It's time for us to lead.
Store owners upset, some saying they understood the problem, but they were just following the rules.
I've had, young kids try to come in here and they're immediately kicked out of the store.
And it didn't take long for the Court of Claims to block the ban while lawsuits from vaping companies make their way through the courts. Now Governor Gretchen Whitmer appealing this case directly to the Michigan Supreme Court. The Department of Health and Human Services saying that Michigan has had 44 confirmed lung injury cases and 1 death. The FDA releasing its own findings today on vaping materials that were collected from lung injury patients here in our state. Nicotine was found in 2 patients' lungs, THC found in 1. Both nicotine and THC were found in another patient's lungs. With these new studies behind Governor Whitmer, the battle over flavored vaping products is just getting underway.
And the state health department still holding firm on advising people to avoid vape products that have THC or nicotine in them and to make sure they're out of the hands of teenagers. We've seen time and time again when these get in the hands of teens that the outcome unfortunately can be deadly.
Right. This middle ground, though, now you got a lot of people that are a little confused as to what they can or can't do, which could change by the day.
Yeah, and I think it's confusing for the consumer, for the store owner, as you can see with the governor, this fight is not over in the court yet.
All right.
Sure.